G'day there and welcome to the Alternative Commentary Collective's Auto Trader Masterclasses on how best to flick your car.
Step 5. What package is best for you on Auto Trader? This is where Auto Trader simply is the best and simplest platform to flick your motor. Just one flat fee. No percentage rubbish, none of that. Plus, just 2 packages to choose from. There's the $30 standard package and the $50 premium package, and that is the maximum you will pay. You won't get stung with any fees after all your hard work. Plus, stays online until it's sold and you can make as many edits as you like. Up next on the final masterclass on how to flick your car, we talk tyre kickers. How to deal with those people who have spent too much time on Marketplace and have lost all common sense. Tell New Zealand about your car and you can win a billboard to help sell it, just like this here.
You'll be 100% cooler. Check it out.